Slovenia has expanded its investment in advanced air defense technology by securing an additional 2 IRIS-T SLM medium-range surface-to-air missile system units from Germany's Deal Defense. The deal, finalized in July 2025 under the European Sky Shield Initiative, ESSI, was officially signed on Slovenia's behalf by Germany's Federal Office of Bundeswehr Equipment, BANBW, marking the first follow-up order within the ESSI's collaborative procurement framework. This new acquisition builds on Slovenia's initial purchase in early 2024, when the country ordered its first IRIS-T SLM unit, marking a historic step in developing its medium-range air defense capabilities. The additional systems will significantly boost Slovenia's ability to counter modern aerial threats, including drones, aircraft, and cruise missiles, while integrating seamlessly into NATO's wider air defense network. The IRIS-T SLM system, developed by Deal Defense, is one of Europe's most advanced ground-based air defense solutions. It utilizes the IRIS-T SL missile, a ground-launched evolution of the proven IRIS-T air-to-air weapon, capable of intercepting targets at ranges of up to 40 kilometers and altitudes of 20 kilometers. The missile is equipped with precision guidance, a two-way data link, and a highly sensitive infrared seeker, allowing for multi-target engagement with full 360-degree coverage. Under the latest contract, Slovenia will receive complete fire units, each equipped with a multifunctional 3D radar, a tactical operations center, multiple vertical launchers, guided missiles, and full logistical support packages. Deliveries are expected to start in 2028, following the 2027 arrival of the first unit ordered last year. This expansion elevates Slovenia's total IRIS-T SLM order to 3 units, significantly enhancing the country's aerial defense posture. The European Sky Shield Initiative, launched by Germany in 2022, brings together 24 nations in a joint effort to build an interoperable, layered air and missile defense system across the continent. By pooling resources, standardizing equipment, and coordinating training, ESSI allows smaller nations like Slovenia to access cutting-edge systems more efficiently, while reinforcing NATO's collective defensive strength. Operationally, the IRIS-T SLM has already demonstrated its effectiveness in Ukraine, where it has achieved a high interception rate even under heavy saturation attacks. Its proven performance in real-world combat scenarios has fueled interest among European states seeking reliable protection against evolving airborne threats. By committing to 3 IRIS-T SLM units, Slovenia establishes itself as one of the most capable medium-sized European countries in terms of integrated air defense. This strategic procurement not only strengthens Slovenia's national security but also contributes to reinforcing NATO's eastern defensive shield, enhancing Europe's collective ability to counter modern aerial challenges.